So in this video, you'll learn how to install Samsung Music on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to installing Samsung Music is to launch either the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. Once you've launched either app, you then want to use the search function and you want to type in the words Samsung and then Music and then search. You should see it listed in the search results, so confirm that it's by Samsung Electronics and then tap on it to view the app details. Again, confirm that it's by Samsung Electronics. From here, select Install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your tablet. Once it's been installed, you can tap on Open to launch it, or you can navigate back to the home screen or Apps drawer, look for the app icon from there and tap on it to launch it. Agree to the terms and conditions, as well as giving Samsung Music access to your audio and notifications. Then once you've done that, you can now start using the Samsung Music app on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.